Concrete guard is a superplasticizers in concrete formulations to lower the use of water, while retaining the needed slump flow property. Concrete guard is a product by Siddhivinayak Construction Chemicals. So what is concrete guard? Concrete guard is a new generation superplasticizer designed to produce wide range of concrete mixes from conventional to self-consolidating concrete. What is concrete guard specialty? 1. Increase early and ultimate compressive strength with normal setting. 2. Produces concrete with high levels of workability without segregation. 3. Excellent concrete durability and rheology. 4. Lower permeability. 5. Excellent handling properties. 6. Lowers drying shrinkage and creep. 7. Increased productivity. So where can we use concrete guard? Any precast concrete products such as blocks, slabs, etc. Below are a normal concrete surface and a concrete guard surface. The concrete guard surface shows shrinkage crack reduction. Now you know why you should go for concrete guard. Want to know more about concrete guard or other products by Siddhivinayak Construction Chemicals? Visit our website www.svccpvt.ltd.com or call us at our toll-free number 180089024998.